we are going to be replacing this shingle here as a repairability test, just to try to see if this roof is repairable at this point in time. My opinion's no, due to the age of it, but we'll go ahead and get started. We're going to start by unsealing the row above it. We're going to try to be careful as to not tear the shingles, but you know, I think the estimated age of this roof is about 20 years or so. I usually don't have much luck getting the mat to come loose from the sealant at this point in a shingle's lifetime. And I'm just inching my way across. If I try to do it any other way, I know for a fact it'll tear. Get that one unsealed. We're just getting this unsealed enough to get a nail right there. Next, we're gonna get this out. Makes the next part of my trick very difficult when that happens. There's most of it, and I believe there's one more little piece. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna show a piece of the shingle is still sealed down up here. What that is mat transfer. Look at that. So what that does is in the seal line on the bottom of this shingle, you can see the core of the mat from the previous shingle is still embedded in it. There's at this point no way for me to remove that, but what that's going to cause is an issue sealing down to the new shingle that we try to repair it with. As well as you can see the mat transfer down here as well from unsealing that. Actually, I skipped a step. We're gonna need to get these nails out. To do the same thing on the row above it. Your standard architectural roof is going to have 2 rows of nails per shingle. Oh, so there's another issue. It's actually torn this next shingle layer. If you can see that. The mat has completely, this is like the same issue that we saw right here. The mat has completely stuck to the shingle below it, which is an issue because now I'm trying to get these nails undone, but this whole nail line is done for now. I can't, so now I gotta replace this shingle, you see? And then now I've gotta unseal the 2 rows above it. And that problem's just gonna persist as many times as we try to go up until the whole roof's replaced. So that's why we think it's non-repairable. I don't see a way to, in good faith, repair this roof.